Somebody said to me, nigga, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch.
In Mr. and Mrs. Tumubag's house, a plaster molding is to be made. The molding consists of 2 parts, a curved part and a rectangular part. The diagram shows a cross-section of the molding. The height of the curved part above the line AB at a distance x centimeters horizontally from A is given by y is equals to x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x plus 2.2. For 0 is less than or equal to x, but x is less than or equal to 2. The rectangular section of the molding has dimensions shown in the diagram. The total length of the molding is 3.5 meters. Find the volume of plaster required to make the molding.
In Mr. and Mrs. Tumubag's house, a plaster molding is to be made. The molding consists of 2 parts, a curved part and a rectangular part. The diagram shows a cross-section of the molding, which is this. This is the cross-section. The height of the curved part above line AB, which is this. At a distance x centimeter horizontally from A is given by this function. As you can see here in the diagram, so this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis and this is our 0. And as you can see in this function, our function is y is equal to x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x plus 2.2. The x is between 0 and 2. So this is exactly the 0 and this is exactly the 2. So the x is in between these two. The rectangular section of the molding has dimensions shown in the diagram. The total length of the molding is 3.5 meters. So the depth of this diagram is right here, which is equal to 350 centimeter. So what we do in here is from 3.5 meter, we move 2 decimal places to make it 350 centimeter. So the area of this rectangle is 20 centimeter. So what we do in here is how to get the area of the rectangle, which is length times width, 5 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 20 centimeter squared. Okay. So the main question here is to know what is the area of this curved part. And we are going to get the area of this curved part by integrating this function. We are going to get the area of the curved area by integrating this function. So this is the formulas needed to integrate this function. First is this, f times b minus f times a, and this total area is equal to curved area plus area of the rectangle. Is equal to integration of 0 to 2 of the function x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x plus 2.2 dx. So after we integrate this, we are going to get x to the 4th power over 4 minus 4x cubed over 3 plus 3x squared over 2 plus 2.2 x. So now we are going to substitute x to 2, which is the upper limit of the integration. So 2 to the 4th power over 4 minus 4 times 2 cubed over 3 plus 3 times 2 squared over 2. 2.2 times 2. So this is the result of our computation here in f times b. So now we are going to proceed to the result of the f times a. So now we're going to substitute x to 0, which is our lower limit. So 0 to the 4th power over 4 minus 4 times 0 cube over 3 plus 3 times 0 squared over 2 plus 2.2 times 0. So this is the result now of our f times a. So after we get the results from f times b and f times a, we are now going to substitute and solve it by its formula, which is f times b minus f times a. 2 to the 4th power over 4 minus 4 times 2 over 3 plus 3 times 2 squared over 2 plus 2.2 times 2 minus 0 to the 4th power over 4 minus 4 times 0 cube over 3 plus 3 times 0 squared over 2 plus 2.2 times 0. So, 16 over 4 minus 4 times 8 over 3 plus 3 times 4 over 2 plus 4.4. So as you can see in here, if we substitute this, all of this, the results is going to be 0. So, parenthesis minus 0. Is equal to 16 over 4 minus 32 over 3 plus 12 over 2 plus 4.4. Now, we're going to insert this on our calculator. So, 4 minus 32 over 3 plus 6 plus 4.4 is equal to 56 over 15 or 3.73. So, now that is our area of the curve part, 3.73 centimeters squared. So now, this is the area of the curve part. So let's proceed to getting the total area, which is this. This is the formula. Total area is equal to curved area plus area of the rectangle. So in here, the curved area is this, 3.73 centimeters squared. And the area of the rectangle, is this, 20 centimeters squared. So now, 3.73 centimeters squared plus 20 centimeters squared is equal to 23.73 centimeters squared. So this is now the total area of the molding cross-section area, which is this. The total. So let's now proceed on getting the volume. So this is the formula on getting the volume. Volume is equal to cross-section area times length. So now this is the value of cross-section area and this is the value of length. So this is the cross-section area and this is the length. So now we're going to put this in the calculator, 23.73 times 350. And we are going to get 8,305.5. So now this is the value of our volume. Volume is equal to 8,305.5 centimeter cube.
I woke up Chris Breezy. Oh my God, I'm the man. I'm so fly and I can dance. There's tattoos on my neck. I just FaceTime Kanye. I told him I'm his biggest fan, yeah. Got all these hoes in my DM. Yeah, I do. Hold up. Holy shit, I got a kid. Oh, I can sing so well. Wonder if I can see the N-word. Wait, can I really?